Your AI actually gets dumber with every message you send it. And if you're using ChatGPT or Claude to write content, you've probably noticed this. The output starts strong, then they get generic and sloppy. That's called context rot. So LLMs have something called the context window. Think of it as a model's working memory. It's everything the AI can see at once in your conversation. Providers love to brag about having hundreds of thousands of tokens, but not all tokens are weighted the same. The more tokens you use up, the worse the model performs. Early tokens in your conversation get priority, and the later ones start to get ignored by the AI. So after a long back and forth, it forgets your brand voice, your instructions, your guidelines, everything just degrades. This is why your outputs turn generic after a few messages. The only real solution is API calls. API calls are stateless, which means each message uses a fresh context window, but then you're copy pasting your brand voice guideline every single time, which is super annoying. So I built this end-to-end automation that handles that. It uses Airtable with two tables. Table 1 is where you work. Drop in a content idea, the automation generates version 1 using your guideline. Then you can give it feedback to modify the content, improve the guideline and rewrite, or both. Table 2 stores your brand voice guideline. Every time you give it feedback, the guideline improves. It keeps every revision too, so you can roll back if you need. So now each content output is able to leverage those fresh tokens and your brand voice stays consistent. If you want the end-to-end workflow and the setup guide, comment API and I'll send you the link.